One service starts free, the other starts at $8 a month, and somehow they both end up in the same conversation. Today is all about Incogni versus Optery. Let's break down what each one actually gives you at the price point you actually pay. If you've never Googled your name with your city, do it after this video. It's genuinely unsettling. Your address, your phone number, your relatives, your age, all of it, pulled together by data brokers and sold to whoever wants to pay. Privacy Rights Clearinghouse, working with the EFF, has identified at least 750 unique data broker groups registered across the US. And that's only counting the ones that registered at all. Which brings up today's comparison. Two services with very different pricing philosophies. Let's see how they actually stack up. Here's where Optery gets interesting and complicated. It has 4 tiers, and coverage changes at every one. The basic free tier gives you a scan and self-service instructions, but you're doing all the opt-outs yourself. Core, at $3.99 a month, automates removals across roughly 150 plus sites without expanded reach turned on, or 365 plus with it. Extended now at $14.99 hits around 295 plus, or 540 plus with expanded reach. Ultimate at $24.99 a month covers around 405 plus or 635 plus with expanded reach. Now the expanded reach add-on is worth pausing on. Optery openly notes that additional brokers don't yet meet their normal removal verification standards, meaning removal access on that expanded list is genuinely less certain than the base numbers. Incogni's approach is just flatter. An independent Deloitte assurance report confirmed that Incogni covers about 420 plus data broker sites and private databases and has processed over 245 million removal requests and counting. There is no lower tier with reduced coverage. The standard plan covers all 420 plus automatically. So on Incogni's entry price, you get roughly the coverage of Optery's mid-tier. On Optery's entry paid tier, you get significantly less than Incogni's entry tier. Now here's how each one actually works. Optery's extended and ultimate tiers use what they call a humans plus machines approach. Automatic removals with an assigned human privacy agent for QA and edge cases. On top of that, extended and ultimate customers get removal reports. These are quarterly summaries with before and after screenshots of profiles taken down. That screenshot-based reporting is genuinely one of the best in category if visual proof matters to you. Now Incogni, on the other hand, runs automated end-to-end. Removal requests are fired up the moment you sign up, and Incogni resubmits them every 60 days. Those are for public broker sites, and 90 days for private databases. You track progress in a dashboard, but there's no human agent assigned to your account. It covers 420 plus data brokers right away. And if your data appears on any other sites, they find it and deliver the results to you for custom removals, as long as you have an unlimited plan. If you're the kind of person who wants to see screenshots of results, Optery Extended or Unlimited delivers just that. If you want the removals to just run in the background and get human attention on more complex cases, Incogni's model fits better. Now let's talk about pricing and let's line everything up honestly. Incogni standard on annual is $7.99 a month, which is roughly $96 a year, 420 plus brokers covered automatically. Optery Core, $3.99 a month, roughly $39 a year, but only 150 plus sites automated or 360 plus with expanded reach, remembering the verification caveat there. Now Optery Extended, it'll be $14.99 a month. Human privacy agents and removal reports, 295 plus sites automated. Now Optery Ultimate, let's break that one down. That's $24.99 a month. You get priority support, unlimited custom removals, and 405 plus sites automated. Now let's just look at Incogni Unlimited. This is $14.99 a month, matches Optery Extended on price, and adds custom removals for sites beyond that list. Both services offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can genuinely test either one risk-free. For someone comparing on price against coverage, I'd give the edge to Incogni. Incogni Standard undercuts Optery Extended by half the monthly price while covering more brokers automatically. Optery Ultimate wins by absolute coverage, screenshot reporting, and dedicated human review, but you're paying more than 3 times Incogni Standard for it. So here is the honest verdict. If you're a high visibility individual like an executive, a public figure, a journalist, a doctor, or someone who's had to deal with stalking and harassment, Optery Ultimate is genuinely one of the strongest offerings on the market. The screenshot reporting and human agent, they're worth the money for that specific use case. That said, Incogni offers a separate service for executives called Ironwall by Incogni, and you'd have to go to their Ironwall website to find out more. For most people watching this though, someone who wants automated coverage across a wide range of data brokers for a price that doesn't require thinking twice, Incogni Standard comes out ahead. More brokers covered on day one than Optery Core or Extended, at a lower price than either, with the same 30-day money-back guarantee to test it. And that's why, out of the two, Incogni is the one I'd point people towards first. Incogni seems to cover the 420 plus brokers in every plan, while Optery locks out data brokers based on what you pay. You can use the code Nader for 60% off Incogni's annual plan. That's Nader for 60% off Incogni's annual plan, or click the link in the description down below to access it directly. It's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it and testing the coverage yourself. Your data is already out there, so the only question is, what are you going to do about it?